This conference will now be recorded.
వచ్చింది ఇందాక ఐ పుట్ ఇట్ రీస్టార్ట్ I did restart. The OS has taken updating. By the time it was adjusted. The previous class was not been done. Two times I off it. Again it is restart, restart, restart. Okay. Now it's set right. Two times set right. Now it's good. I think Windows OS repair is there. No? How do you do repair?
You should download the driver.
Driver.
The driver update it repairs.
Okay. Let's come back. So with OpenSQL, different. Okay. SQL self queries are there. Correct. Did I explain? No. Only joins I explained. Correct. So one joins, another is for all entries, another is corresponding fields. These all things will practice anywhere I explain joins. For all entries, corresponding fields I will explain in the reports. Okay, joins. This is matching records and equating common key field data between tables. It's called joins. So joins not preferred already we worked more than 3 or 4 tables. If the tables having huge transaction data. Okay, good. The next concept is for all entries. Okay,
Sir,
for all entries means nothing but
sir, you
without join.
discussed this topics.
I explained already.
So, discussion.
I explained. No?
Yes, sir.
Then I shown for. Did I explain for all
Inner,
entries? Yes. No.
no, sir. Till joins you explained for inner join and left outer join.
Okay, 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 okay. Joins is over, but for all entries, I didn't explain about syntax. Correct? Yes or no? Yes.
Example को चेकिंग.
Yeah. So OpenSQL with
For
for all entries. This is without join process. We can retrieve information from multiple tables. Okay. So in real time, enterprise reports using transaction data. Okay, understanding? So we will develop output fastly. Output fastly. Okay. Using parameters. Okay. Hello. చెప్పారు మీరు క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాం చేస్తాను ఓకే fine. So here there is a table 1 is there. I will select field names, whatever field names you want, and into table I'll say internal table 1. From table 1, okay, where we will write some key field condition. For example, the first table having 50 lakhs records. In this internal table, I got 5 records. Good. Again, I'm having table 2. Select fields names into table. I tap 2 from table 2, but I will not compare table 1. Here I'll use a keyword for all entries in. Okay, I will mention internal table 1. Matching 50 lakhs records is easy, matching 5 records is easy. 5 records is easy because in internal table 1 you have 50 lakhs records of 5 records. Okay, then I'll mention where. Okay, table 2 key field is equal to whatever you have in internal table 1 hyphen key field. Like this, we will get the data. So internal table 1 having table 1 related data, internal table 2 holds table 1, table 2 related data. Understanding? Now after this, what I will do now? Merging internal table 1 and internal table 2. Merging internal table 1 and internal table 2 into final internal table. Understanding? Put the one here. So we will generate output. That's it. So what's the advantage? Performance is very fast. Suppose if you in that situation, if you apply join, if you morning apply request, by afternoon evening you will get the output. Why means in between time it is processing searching records, 50 lakhs records, searching matching takes a lot of time process. That's why in real time, whenever you want to show any transaction data reports, you should not apply joins. You should apply for all. Yeah, not this syntax. This will explain you in the reports, not now.
Sir, have you gone to Puri? Sri Jagannath Mandir? No.
There is a miracle that the Radham will not move.
It's completely transformed now.
But there is no idol there, just different is there.
No, idol is there.
No, Vishmurti idol is not really some different art of idol.
No, sir. In Odisha, Jagannath is a form of Vishnu. Okay, Sri Jagannath is a form of Vishnu.
So Vishnu forms Jagannath.
Yeah.
Jagannath is a god messenger.
No, no, sir. Actually, see, in west side, they pray to Krishna in the same way.
అది కృష్ణుడు గురించి
Yes.
ఏంటంటే కృష్ణుడు ఒకసారి ఏదో రాసి
Same way Tirupati in the south, same way Jagannath in the east.
Yeah, that's why people is created different names. I know the history.
Same.
I was in 2000, 2001. I was in research of that.
No, you can go to Puri, a library is there, you can get everything there.
Yeah, yes, I have to go. Copy. This is for all entries. So I will explain you. This is with reports, ALV grid report. That time you can use this for all entries. Okay, fine. The next one is corresponding fields. So what is this corresponding fields? The reusable process SQL query. Okay, so it is reusable process of select queries, multiple select queries, multiple select queries. Okay, fetching the select query fields data into internal table structure fields by matching field names and substitutes values. By matching fields names and substitutes values when the select query fields hierarchy and internal table fields hierarchy was different. Understanding? So performance is slow while matching fetching data. Understanding? For example, I'll declare like this: data internal table type table of and table name. Okay, this table is having around 200 fields. It is having around 200 field structure. Okay, now I can use multi-use select query to fetch here. How I'll mention? I can mention select field 9, field 51, 41, field 55, field 91, field 125. Like this, I'll select some fields into. Here I'll use keyword corresponding fields of table. I'll say item. Understanding? From table 1, table name, where condition. Okay, not only that, so in this internal table hierarchy is 200 fields, but your selected hierarchy is different. So this time, field 2, this is field 10, field 31, field 54, and field 99. Like this, field, okay, 125, field 156, like this, some field, but I am pressing to internal table. So two times I fetched, but that time internal table structure is 200 fields, different hierarchy. My select query fields hierarchy also different. Okay, that time you can use in a program for reuse, multi-use purpose. Okay, but we cannot use this program, this select query much for transaction data when you're calling, because why means matching field names and substitutes takes a lot of times. That's why performance is slow while retrieving and display. Okay, yeah, please note these points about corresponding fields. చంటి బర్త్డే చూసాను ఇప్పుడు స్టాటస్లో వస్తున్నాడు క్లాస్కి రాత్రి అంతా రాశారు పే మొత్తం అంతా కేక్ అంతా రాస్తారు
లేదు సార్ అంటే ఫ్రెండ్స్ తక్కువ మంది ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ నైట్ ఏమైనా ప్లాన్ చేయాలి.
Okay, fine. So these are the different queries. Don't worry. At the time of real time, while developing learning reports, we will do it all these things case studies. Each report will give you one case study of corresponding fields like that. Okay, good. So far so good. We can also do are the mathematical functions. So here, OpenSQL with math functions. You can see constant, sum, maximum. So you no need to write. We can use these functions. These are all mathematical functions. What is constant? You see, sometimes you when you print bill, na, the down number of items for treasures like this count will returns. That is called count star. So it returns count number of how many records fetched. Okay, with select query. Okay, good. So I'll mention select count star into variable name from table name where followed by condition. You can do like that. So whatever count it fetches into variable max sum It returns sum of selected number data field. Okay, field. Okay, collection of values. So we can mention like this: select sum in bracket. You have to give one space and field name. Then you need to mention into. Okay, some variable name from table name where we can use condition. So like this, we can able to write by using concept. So sometimes whenever you develop the application, you need to use all these things. Okay, good. Yeah, please do this. Copy. So let's have an example on this. I'll show you. This we can see now. Copied, Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
So we will try for an example for executable. So accept sold to party and order date range. Count of how many sales processed, sales orders generated, and also show sum of all sales orders, total net value using table feedback. Okay, so let's develop the application. You're working with package, no? Correct. So it would be 12n, correct? Yeah. So title, this is sales order status. Sold to party. Sales orders status. So I'm taking two variables, data. We count type I, comma, P total sales. Okay, time. Here I am referring the data type VBAC-NETWR because VBAC-NETWR field having data type is currency of 12 digits. Using the data, we have to calculate some. So we have to use that data type is a comfortable to calculation. We cannot use integer packed number. Understanding the point here. So I'll take one variable P1 type VBAC- your that because to accept date field select options I have to refer the variable. So select options sales or date for V1 and apply. Now I want to accept customer number. Okay, sold to party. Select K1 referring the data type. Good. Let's start writing the server side process. First, I am taking care about count star.
ఫీడ్బ్యాక్లో విబిఎల్ఎన్ అనేది కూడా కష్టమే కదా.
కాదు order number. Kunar is the sold to party. Into variable v count from b back where sold to party equal to your entered customer and the date order date in substitution of export date. Got the point here? So now I want to check, okay, if v count equal to 0, then I'll specify, okay, message. So no sales. I'll show status message. Good. Then else. Okay. I have to get sales orders total. Understanding? Get the point here. So I'll mention select sum in bracket. Space NDWR space. Before bracket, after bracket, you should give one space. Compulsory. Otherwise, it gives error. Into. Okay. V tot sales. Okay. From V back where sold to party equal to customer and your dad in. Okay. Understanding? Export date. Now after this, I will display the sales status. So right colon slash at find. Okay. So sales orders status between I'm giving comma export date hyphen low comma export date hyphen high. So here I'm mentioning. So from to date I'll mention. So from and I mention here also I'll specify to. Okay, understanding? So right colon slash find. So number of sales orders, comma slash find. I'll say B count. So color 3, comma, then next again slash find. So all sales orders, grand total net value, slash find. I'll specify, okay, and V dot sales, dot net value,
Sales, not sales.
dot sales. Like this, I can show by using arithmetic functions. Okay, good. These are all called batch functions. So when I press F8, you can see that. So I'll enter the date. So 01.01.1998 to 30.06.1998. I'll specify 1001. When I press F8, you can see that totally 6 sales orders has been processed. This is the bill of total net value. Okay, fine, good. Any questions? Yeah, copy the code.
ఏంట్రా బయటికి కూర్చోలేదు
ఈవెనింగ్ క్లాస్
అంటే మరి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎత్తారు కదా
ఈవెనింగ్ క్లాస్
ఎత్తారు
ఈవెనింగ్
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టాస్క్ ఇస్తారు మెసేజ్ రేపు చేసుకుంటాను ఒక రోజు 2 రోజులు కలిపి మనకు గ్రూప్ లిస్ట్ ఎలా చనిపోతే వెళ్ళకూడదు వాళ్ళు ఇంట్లో ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు కదా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలి ఏం గుర్తొచ్చిన
SQL అతను పోయింది వెళ్తే అతను చేతికి
టైప్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు అన్ని క్యాపిటల్స్ టైప్
అదే ఉంది ట్రాన్స్ఫర్
Copy. Yeah. Copied, Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
So with OpenSQL, we can also use data manipulation commands. Okay, what is this data manipulation? End users will go for submit. For example, there is a transaction code XK01 is there. This is to create vendor master data. Okay, understand? Got the point here. Vendor master data. From here, users submit the data. The data goes to server. We have to save into table. That is called data manipulation. OpenSQL database programming. How to save the data into record. These are all things we have to learn. So here also, we will do all these things in multiple programming, but let us complete OpenSQL. So OpenSQL with data manipulation. You have an insert, update, delete, and modify. And got the one here. So what is exactly insert? Okay, it saves a new record into table. Saves new record into table. So using everybody uses this statement command. You go for any software. So insert into table name and values, and you will specify the record information. Here, table field names, sequence should match with record fields. Otherwise, it gives error. Instead of this, we can also use Okay, using internal table single record. So here we'll apply insert table name from, if we say item, it will take care. So you need to write all the fields in sequence. Not only that, so we can also do, okay, so using table type, okay, internal table. So all collection of records at a time into table with single insert command. That time we will use this command insert table name. We will use a keyword called table and we'll specify item. Full stop. Okay, understand? Got the point here. So this is very, very important. You should understand. Okay, insert table name from table item. Okay, so these all things we will try in GUI programming, not here. And the last command at a time, that is BDC when you're uploading. Suppose there is a file 2500 records in a table 2200. So 2200 records should be changed at a time to all the records you want to upload it. That time you can use this insert table name from item. No need to type, no need to file 2500 times insert command. Okay, yeah, please note these commands insert. Okay, fine. So that is insert command. The next command is update. What is this update command? Suppose already in the table records you want to modify. Okay, so we'll change the existed record fields data. Okay, understanding into table with compulsory some key field condition we should give. Otherwise, all the records will update. Understanding? So we will use a statement command. Statement command. Here I'll mention update table name. Okay, set. And got the one here. That is the command to assign the memory. Field name is equal to change value. Again, field name equal to change value. Okay. And here we should mention where some key field condition. Like this, any register records you want to modify, we can do it. Not only that, we can also do with internal table. Okay, so with internal table, providing okay key field data per condition. Otherwise, all the records will update. This is a very simple command. They will give like this: update table name. Okay, from and item. But when you give item, key field should have item. Otherwise, wrong. One BW consultant is applied this command in transactions. In itab is mentioned, but he has mentioned 3 key field. He mentioned 2 key field. All the records is updated, suspended. So that's why nobody uses this command perfectly, because itab you're not clear with fields condition. Here you have a condition statement. So with this condition statement, you can do by using apply this. Okay, yeah, please note. Okay, fine. Copy update command. The next delete. So what is this delete command? Deletes records into table. But in SAP, most of SAP provide 01 for create, 02 for change, 0 for display. Nobody cannot delete. We can do it through program, but there is some rules and standards. We want to delete all records. Simply we can apply like this. Delete from table. That's it. Very dangerous command. Suppose you want to delete selected records. Records into table, then we will mention delete from table name, where we will apply some key field condition. Okay, understand? Got the one here. Good. Like this we can. Okay, fine. So there is one more command is there. This is mostly batch processing we can use. This command is modify. This command performs okay update as well as insert. Two types of process will do. If the record found into table, okay, it performs to change the data into table. If the record not found into table, it performs to save as new record into table. It will tell you whether it's saved or not. The syntax we can apply like this: modify table name from. We will specify item. Like that we can use to apply concept here. Okay, got the point here. Yeah, yeah. Please note this. Okay, good. Yeah. So these all things insert, update, delete, modify commands we can use for GUI program. At the realm of skin design, we can do all the operations. Now we're not necessary to practice. Okay, fine. So with this, we completed successfully OpenSQL programming. Okay, and we are entering to the next concept called modest techniques tomorrow. That means what is subroutines. Okay, what is function models, how to write in function models, database programming. You'll develop one sales auto application, how to do it. Okay, fine. Okay, then bye. See you tomorrow.